Take me back to my old arms. Have they changed while I've been aging? The places where I lost and found my faith in truth and restoration. The trials that taught me patience. Would you smile if I could be there? The moments lost seem to dwarf all the memories I can replay in my head. Every chance that I watched. Thank God I'm a new man now. And that bittersweet Sunday remembering hits me harder when I'm falling asleep. And I wonder if sometimes you include me in the fires and the nostalgia that shows up in your daydreams. Naivete was all that I had to guide me through the seasons. These places tell them bright. carry on. For people and places and times, even if we're not speaking, just know how I feel about you now from afar. In all the moments I envied, I still replay in my head every chance that I watched. Thank God I've been born a new man. Take me back to my old arms. Have they changed while I've been aging? The places where I lost and found my faith in truth and restoration. The trials that taught me patience. Would you smile if I could be there?
If you go insane, please take me with you. The ground beneath my feet can't hold me down at all. Your heart is getting heavy with every drop you bled out. And I was always ready to give you mouth to mouth. Oh, you got me good, dazed and confused. Couldn't be more obsessed with you if I tried. Oh, you got me good, daydreaming of this game. A whole lot of love, you're my perfect disgrace. The Widget sound feeds me illusions. Do you remember the day I met you at the Half Moon Bay? I've been tired of your bullshit. Please rely on me for once. I turned you into dust you left on my windowsill. It's hard to picture my apartment without you. Oh, you